conditioned and washed out. So let's talk tools. So I'm about to start blow drying my hair, and I wanted to talk about my blow dryer. So the blow dryer I use is a Revlon. It's a Revlon Ionic blow dryer. Y'all have had this blow dryer for years. I feel like I've had this blow dryer over 10 years now, and it still works great. I really like it because of this like attachment. This really helps me to direct the heat right to where I need it for my hair. So I love that. It has 3 different settings: low, medium, and high. I do put mine directly on high. And so I have that for my blow dryer. I use a paddle brush. I use, it is a Conair. I probably got it from Target or something. I don't know. Or the beauty supply. I don't know. You can just get a regular paddle brush. I like the square kind. I don't like the circular ones, and I don't like the small ones because I have thick hair. So this helps. It's strong enough for me to do what I need to do. So before I actually start blow drying, I do take a heat protector spray and just spray it all over my hair just to protect it from any type of heat damage. My hair into 4 as I did earlier when I was deep conditioning, and that literally, these are the same parts I do for everything, whether it be deep conditioning, blow drying, and flat ironing. Like, it's the same 4 parts. So as you can see, I'm just taking each piece, and I'm just twisting it fairly tight because I don't want it to get mixed in with any other hair. Okay, so we're gonna start with this side. I'm gonna do the first little portions just so that you guys can see how I actually dry it. And then I'm just gonna speed everything else up because it's basically gonna be the same all the way throughout my entire head. So, okay, so I'm gonna take a small piece, not that small, pretty generous piece. Now, when I'm straightening, it's definitely be smaller than that, but for this, I'm just gonna take a generous piece, and I'm gonna clip the rest of it up. I direct my blow dryer at the root of my hair because that's what I need to be dry. Like, that's what's going to assist me. So I just direct the heat here, and I use my paddle brush to brush down. So I do is I take the brush and I put it here, right? So me doing that is like kind of, I feel like a brush is good for thick hair because it helps to separate like the strands. What you gonna call it? Helps you like separate the hair. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but it makes sense to me. So I put it here and do like a nice brush, right? Because that kind of gets my hair, you know, kind of stretches it too. And I take my flat iron, I kind of go over that like a couple times, and I move the brush all the way through. And y'all, it literally makes my hair so soft. That's what the brush does for me. Seriously, I really don't think that it has anything to do with what hot tools you use. As long as you have a flat iron and you use, to me, if you use a brush, you're gonna get a silk press. Like, it's gonna be silky. That's how I get my hair super flat, like super straight, is by taking smaller and smaller pieces. Like, the smaller the pieces, the better the flat iron. And you want to make sure you got time to do your hair, girl, because you cannot rush this. You're not gonna want to, because you're not gonna like the outcome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please comment what hot tools you use or how you do your hair or whatever.